In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about differentiating between transfers and expenses in QuickBooks. Understanding the distinction between these two is crucial for maintaining clear and accurate financial records. So let's dive in and make sure you're all set up correctly within QuickBooks. When dealing with transfers, imagine you're simply moving money from one pocket to another. This could be when you're shifting funds from your checking account to your savings account, for example. In QuickBooks, to initiate a transfer, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of options where you need to select Transfer. Once you've done that, a new screen will appear, asking you to input the accounts involved in the transfer. Clearly specify which account the money is coming from and where it's going. Next, enter the amount you're transferring. Taking these steps is important for ensuring that your internal accounts reflect the correct balances. It's a simple process, but keeping it tidy means your accounting stays consistent and effortless to reconcile. Now, let's talk about recording an expense. This process is slightly different because an expense means money is leaving your business to pay for goods or services. Maybe you're paying a utility bill or buying office supplies. Once more, head over to the New button at the top left corner of your QuickBooks screen and click on it. This time, you're going to select Expense from the list. After selecting this, you'll be prompted to fill out a detailed expense form. Make sure to be as precise as possible with the details, including who you paid, any associated accounts, and the exact amount. This detail is key for accurate tracking of business expenses in your records. Lastly, once you have entered all the necessary information, make sure to hit Save and Close. This action ensures that your expense is recorded immediately, allowing your overall financial picture to be reflected accurately. And that's all there is to it. By carefully distinguishing between transfers and expenses, you can maintain a clear financial record in QuickBooks. This not only helps in keeping things neat, but also significantly eases the burden during reporting and auditing processes. Remember, the more accurately you track these transactions, the better your financial insights will be. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll find navigating QuickBooks much more intuitive. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial